Hey, Adi, what do you have there?
I have a super wing jet.
Oh, is that a new toy?
Yeah.
Is that what Nyai Tini bought for your birthday?
Yeah.
So do you like it?
Yeah.
So you wanna open it up?
Yeah.
Okay, let's open it up.
Okay.
How are you gonna open it up?
Use a scissors.
Okay, can you use the scissors? Or no?
No.
Why can't you use the scissors? Because?
You can put the scissors into the jet light.
Okay, I'll open it for you. Okay. So let's snip this part. Ooh, it's difficult to do it with one hand. Okay. And we'll do it this part. Ooh, is that done? Oh, there's one more on the legs. And one more over here. I think that's it.
Yeah.
You want to take it out?
Yeah.
Woohoo! What do you have there?
Jet.
Jett. And how does Jett fly?
It's a virtual jet. I'm a super wing jet.
Ooh, super wing jets. Do you know what it can do?
Yeah.
It can transform into a plane. Do you know how? Let's check it out. Oh, you can transform into a plane to board mode. You just have to push his legs down. Okay, let's try it. Do you know how to do it? Hey, Jett, come back here. There's an emergency. Jett! Jett, where are you? Okay, land here, Jett. Come back here. Okay, land. Okay, do you know how to transform him?
Yep.
Okay, come. You want me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Okay, we're gonna flip him around, and I think it should be easy. We just. Oh, okay. Squish him. Oh, maybe it's not so easy. Okay, you hold the camera,
Okay.
and I'll see. Come, you hold the camera.
Okay.
Okay, put it on Jett. Okay, just aim it over there. Okay, come. Let me help you.
Hi.
Okay, let's see how we can do it. Here, it says. Oh, what can I? Like that. Yeah. I'm trying to. Oh, flip it. Good.
Yay. Around.
Flip it around.
You can't
Can I do it like that? Okay, maybe we look at the instructions somewhere here.
Yep.
Is there any? Oh, okay. Instructions, always a good thing. Okay, here we go.
Okay, here you go.
Here we go. Come. Let me help you. First, come. We flip his legs around. Okay, wait. Let me help you put him back in. And we flip his hand in like so. Aim on the Jett. Push his hands in like that. Okay, all good. And then we lift up the flap, and somehow we can't lift up the flap. Something is wrong. Oh, we do that. Oh, okay. It needs a little bit of force, and then we flick out the gears. Keep aiming at the Jett. Flip out the gears like that. Flick it up. Flick it up. Ooh.
That's really not easy.
It's not very easy, yeah, it's not very easy. Oh, you connect it like that,
It's
I
up.
think. No, you still gotta push it all the way up. I think. Oh, like that. I see. Then you push it in.
No.
Okay, hold on. And then last but not least.
The wings jet.
Okay, here you go. Okay, come, show it. How is it gonna fly? No, he's gonna. Oh no, he's going away again. Land on the table. Oh, Jett, where are you going?
Come back.
Land on the table. Okay. Ooh, nice landing. Nice landing. Okay, stop. Okay, let's check it out again. Here is the Jett toy. Transforming Jett toy from Super Wings. Turn it around, Adik. Turn it around. Show the back of Jett. Yeah, that's the back of Jett. It's pretty good, yeah?
Yeah.
Did you like your toy?
Yeah.
Is it very good?
You want to see your hip? Yes.
Is it good?
Yep. I didn't want.
Yeah.
I didn't you
Okay,
want.
say thank you, Nyai.
Thank you, Johnny.
Yeah.
I didn't want to play
Say
though.
bye, everyone.
Yeah. Bye.
Look here. Look here.
Bye.
Say bye, bye, Jett.
Bye, bye, Jett.
See you.